So I separated them A, B, C.
My wife and I live life to the fullest. So when Mutama sent us this at-home sauna to do an honest review on, we jumped at the chance. I mean, who wouldn't? This is about bringing a spa-style experience into your home without having to build anything permanent. It took us 30 seconds to put this outside on our deck and 30 seconds to bring it back in. And putting it together was a breeze. At 71 inches tall, it gives you room to stand or sit comfortably without feeling cramped. The steel frame keeps the sauna stable and solid instead of feeling like a pop-up tent. The 1400-watt steamer heats up in about 10 minutes, and the 3-liter tank means longer sessions without constant refilling. There are 15 heat levels, and you set your time, 15 minutes or 45 minutes. It's up to your mood. The built-in red light panel uses a specific wavelength designed to support skin appearance and create a calming spa-like atmosphere. The sauna is insulated with 5 layers to trap the heat inside while helping prevent moisture from leaking onto your floors. Safety is built in with boil-dry protection, which automatically shuts off the unit if water runs out. It comes as a complete kit with the tent, the steamer, red light unit, and chair, so there's nothing extra to figure out. The large window makes a difference too because it keeps the space feeling open instead of closed in. So look, if you want a few minutes of relaxation, a little cleansing of the pores, or just a good healthy sweat, the Mutama at-home sauna might just do the trick.